In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell on eBay using Chat GPT. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, leveraging AI can streamline your process and enhance your listings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate SEO-optimized titles, write compelling product descriptions, and even conduct market research, all with the help of Chat GPT. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to chatgpt.com. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to start a new chat, usually a button that says New Chat. Clicking this will open up a fresh conversation window where you can begin interacting with the AI. Now, one of the most important aspects of selling on eBay is having a great product title. A well-crafted title can make all the difference in search visibility and attracting potential buyers. To generate SEO-optimized titles, you'll want to type a specific prompt into ChatGPT. Say something like, create 5 SEO-optimized eBay titles for a brand name, item name, in condition, size. Include relevant keywords that buyers would search for. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and click Submit. ChatGPT will then provide you with a list of optimized titles that you can use directly or tweak further to suit your style. Once you have those eye-catching titles, the next step is writing a compelling product description. This is where you can really sell your item by highlighting its features and benefits. Head back to your chat window and type, write a persuasive eBay product description for the title, insert title. Include sections for condition, key features, specifications, and shipping details. Keep the tone professional but exciting. After you hit submit, ChatGPT will generate a detailed description that you can paste into your eBay listing. Make sure to review it and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it accurately represents your product. Now that you have your title and description ready, it's time to think about what to sell. Conducting market research can help you understand what's trending and in demand. You can easily do this with ChatGPT as well. Simply type, what are the current trending product categories on eBay right now? Give me 5 examples and suggest how I can source them. Clicking Submit will provide you with valuable insights into popular categories and tips on sourcing these items. By following these steps, you're not just listing items on eBay, you're optimizing your listings to stand out in the crowded marketplace. Using ChatGPT as part of your eBay selling strategy can save you time while enhancing the quality of your listings. Remember, the key to successful selling is not just having great products, but also presenting them in a way that appeals to buyers. With the power of AI, you have a valuable tool at your disposal to help you do just that. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your eBay selling journey. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check back for more tips on using AI to boost your online selling success.